What should you look for in the things your child if you think they might be doing drugs? Well, we're talking about it in tonight's Safety Watch Q&A with Jennifer Dillette-Snyder. She is the executive director for Join Together Northern Nevada. First off, thank you so much for being here. Such an important topic.
Thank you for having me.
What are the most common drugs that kids are using these days?
Right now, in our youth, we're seeing marijuana, prescription drugs, and synthetic marijuana.
Okay, and then you also mentioned like hash oil. And
right.
What exactly does that look like?
So people know what regular marijuana looks like, but hash oil would look like, it could look like butter. It's something very sticky. It could look like honey. It could look more like chocolate, but it's something gooey. We had a parent call us last week, thought she had found heroin in her son's pocket. It actually turned out to be hash oil. So I mean, just being aware and looking for these things.
Well, besides their pockets, where are kids keeping this stuff?
Well, I'm going to show you where they're keeping them. So we have. Here's a can here. It looks like a Monster Energy drink.
So many
regular.
Kids drink it?
Yep. It's actually a stash can. You could have a baggie full of marijuana or prescription
pills. And that's allowed
pills.
at school, so they can take that to school.
Yep.
Okay.
Here's a shoe that I might not be able to get it out, but the bottom comes out, so there's like a little.
So this is all storage in the heel.
Yep. There's all storage in the heel.
So they're wearing this to school and stashing drugs in the heel.
Yes. And then when they get to school, this looks like a regular highlighter, and it does have some ink in it. But on the other end is a pipe. So they bring their stash in their shoe or maybe their Monster can, and then they can use a pipe.
So quickly, what signs do you look for in your child that they're doing drugs?
It would be, you would look at behavior. Parents know their kids the best. So is there a change in behavior? Is there a change in friends? Are grades slipping? So it's really kind of, what is going on with the child? Are they acting strange? Is there something different going on?
Okay. Thank you so much for the advice and for showing this.
Definitely.
To all of us parents out there, we certainly appreciate it. She will be here until 6 o'clock taking your questions. So all you have to do is dial 858.